The program definitely helped me to boost my confidence, as well as helped me to develop new skills.
I feel it really helped me to get to a point where talking about what I do and what my business is has become second nature.
Access to schemes like this helps students like me believe in our dreams and make us start now.
The WIN Network program helped me to build my skill as a CEO.
The Big Idea Challenge is a pitching competition for startups and young businesses. And in this competition, you have a chance to pitch your idea with the opportunity to win money for your business. The biggest skills that I took from this competition was practicing my presentation and communication skills and just gaining more confidence in doing that. Because the business I'm in is consultancy, so much of that is about building relationships and building trust. And so being able to communicate with ease and confidently is really, really important.
The Ignite Fund is a university-funded project that encourages students with their entrepreneurial journeys, not only supporting them financially with investments, but supporting them emotionally every step of the way. The Ignite Fund has enabled me to be successful in my business with helping me launch my first product, which is the Hydrating Lip Luminizer for True Skin. The university has also supported me in promoting my business through the school website, inviting me to networking events, and also doing a pop-up shop on site. Schemes like this help students like myself begin our entrepreneurial journeys, helping us propel ourselves in our career, in our education, and also in our personal lives.
The WIN Network program is a program where all students from the university can network with each other, meet mentors, and learn new skills. This is a great opportunity to learn about entrepreneurial skills, validate your idea, and also to learn different strategies on how to sell your product or go to the market. I learned a lot of new topics, like how to create a pitch deck, how to analyze the problem, solution, or market opportunity. After I finished the program, I created my own company, Poncho Capital.
Westminster Working Cultures is a university-wide initiative designed to enhance the employability of students. The program is a unique opportunity where we can meet industry professionals and also get insight how the professionals build their career. I decided to take part because I was impressed with the work of the program and I knew that I'm gonna learn a lot. Thanks to the program, I've learned how to write an effective CV, how to stand out from the crowd, and also how to build professional relationships. The program inspired me and helped to put me on the right career path.